This is a 2021 Denali GMC Yukon, the fancy version if you want to call it that. What I'm going to show you how to do is reset your oil light, and it's pretty simple. Whatever menu you're at, this is just one of the menus showing the gauges and things like that. You'll use the buttons here on the side. You'll use these two to scroll left and right, and then you'll use this wheel, and it also serves another purpose to select. So if you're at this menu, you'll just press left or right. I'm going to press right, and you'll get to that little I, which is your information menu, and it's showing how much air filter life there's left. So you'll just scroll up or down until you get to oil life. And there it is there. It took a little bit, but it's there. And all you'll do, I'm not going to do it on this one, you'll just hold this button down and you'll get prompted to reset it. It's pretty simple. If you don't see this on here, then the odds are that it's not selected, meaning that on the info pages right here, you'll push this button in, and all of these that have a green check mark are pages that are going to be showing up when you scroll left and right. So you can adjust whatever you want. You can have on here the pages that you want. So if you just only want a couple of pages, you can have that. And if this one is not checked like so, then that page won't show. But all you have to do is check it, and that's it. Then you can scroll back out of here and go to whatever page you want. And that's all you have to do. Any questions, please feel free to ask.